guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I am going to show you some of the makeup that I got recently and how I feel about them, and also I'm going to try out in this video. So if you love affordable makeup, then please keep on watching because the products are really affordable and really good quality, because I am wearing them right now on my face and I'm loving it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I got is this Mars BB cream, and I know it is so hyped up right now. Like, I thought this is going to be a decent product because of the price. Sorry for that, but oh my god, I just tried it out and oh my god, the finish and everything, though it's a BB cream, but it gives you that decent finish and glow like anything, and it gives you that skin like finish. I think it is a perfect product for everyday use, and if you don't like to use foundation, you don't like the foundation ka coverage and all, and it's not cakey at all. It is like a skin tint but with a little bit of coverage, and I have some pigmentation going on my cheeks. So as you can see that you can't see them, obviously agar मैं कैमरे के एकदम पास आती हूँ, you can see them, but it is not that showing. So yeah, I really loving this product, and also it gives you that super glow, like healthy glow, which I really love. But the thing is, it is not that long lasting, and if you are thinking कि ये आपको पूरे दिन तक last करेगा, then you are because it is not at all long lasting. It will last you for 3 hours at least, but उसके बाद ये थोड़ा सा fade off होना शुरू होता है. But the coverage is, I really love the coverage. So if you are using this, I will definitely recommend कि आप इसको थोड़ा सा powder से set कर लेना, so थोड़ा सा ये long lasting हो. And also the thing is, the shade range is really crappy because they gives you 4 to 5 shades, I think. Luckily I choose my shade, thank god, but yeah, deeper skin tone के लिए थोड़ा सा problem हो जाता है. So yeah, the thing is, I really love this BB cream. Okay, so next up for concealer, I have a new product with me. So this is the matte look full coverage concealer. So it's a jumbo concealer, as you can see that, and this is in the shade beige, and yeah, this is like a really jumbo concealer, and iska jo doe foot applicator hai, it's really big. It's not normal जो concealer हमारे यहाँ होता है वो वैसा नहीं है, and also it is really affordable. इसका प्राइस तो अफोर्डेबल है, बट अमेज़ॉन में इसको आप और भी ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट में खरीद सकते हो. सो या, एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ really full coverage, as you can see that. So I choose a lighter shade than my skin tone because I wanted highlighted effect, and also it is really blendable. It is not at all drying. It gives you a flawless finish. I don't expect it actually, because I have seen this on the internet so much, so I thought why not try this out and give you the review, my thoughts. So I love my Swiss Beauty concealer, but I think Swiss Beauty concealer के बाद अगर कोई concealer मैं affordable range में recommend करती हूँ. So this is going to be this one. This is so good. Next up I have this Revolution Baby Tint in the shade Rose, and look at this. How cute is this? Like, it is a lip and cheek tint. I saw this product, this little baby, on the Hawk Makeup ka website, so I thought, why not try this out? And the color is so different. Like, it's a like pale rosy pink type of a shade, so I thought, why not try this out, because of how cute is this. And the applicator looks so cute. It's like a fluffy doe foot applicator, and the shade is so beautiful, and the product itself is so good. Like, it doesn't give you that pigmentation, which is really good, because tint में क्या होता है ना, अगर आप ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर देते हो, आपका like जो बेस है वो हिल जाता है. So I don't like those pigmented like products, so I really like this. And also you can use this product on your bare skin, so which is a thumbs up for me. And also you can use this on your lips too, so I really love this product. इसमें से आपको I think 3 shades मिल जाता है. If you want some like pigmentation on your cheeks, then you can use this, like you can layer it up, because it is not going to make your base cakey at all, and also it is not going to like smudge, remove your base, which is a really thumbs up for me. And also it gives you that healthy glow on your skin, which I really love. So for my brows, I have a new product here with me. So this is the Essence Make Me Brow Mascara, and this is not a new product actually. I have used this before, and this is like a tinted mascara, and also it has like fibers in it, so it will make your eyebrows look bushy, not at all like a fake type of, but it will give you your brows a little bit of hint of tint. It is not for them who love like a really dark eyebrow, because it is for them who love like natural eyebrows, but they wants to enhance their natural eyebrows. And also it is for lazy girls actually. So if you are running late and you want to just enhance your brows and something, you have to just comb your like brow hairs and you're good to go. So yeah, I really love this whenever I go outside, like and I don't have any time. So yeah, I really love this, and I highly recommend this product because this is so good. Essence is like really underrated product in India, I think, but I really love their products. They are affordable, they are good quality and everything. So I really love their like Make Me Brow mascara. So if you want to try them out, go try this out. You're not going to regret it. So next up, I have a product with me. You know this product, probably everyone knows this product. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. You are thinking कि ये तो हम सब जानते हैं, ये Maybelline का compact powder है and all. But so actually I misplaced the order or something like that. So yeah, I ordered this shade. So the shade is called Toffee, and this is way deeper than my skin tone. But I thought like the color is so good, like I can use this as my bronzer maybe. So I tried this out and you won't believe it, like it's so good. As you can see that it is so pigmented. You need a little bit of product actually, and the color is so good. It gives you that warmth on your face, and I really love bronzer. Like yeah, some people don't like bronzer, but I really love bronzer because I think bronzer gives you that healthy glow on your skin, and I really love this. So yeah, definitely a win-win. I think I am really loving this actually, and जो मेरे बाकी ब्रॉन्जर्स है उनसे मैं ज़्यादा इसको लाइक कर रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइक पिगमेंटेशन एंड ऑल. Yeah, I'm really loving this product, you guys, and yeah, definitely a win-win. Okay, so if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my eyes, so this is the Inside Cosmetic Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Enchanted, and this is a beautiful green metallic shade. As you can see that, like, I'm loving the shade, but this is not that pigmented. It have a sheer coverage. You can use this as a own eyeshadow like I am using today. You can use this as your eyeshadow topper. It will really look good, and I think it is so beautiful in this price range. It have like golden reflex in it, which makes this like so beautiful. I am really loving this product, but the thing is Swiss Beauty का जो like liquid eyeshadow है, I will prefer that more because that have like some glitter shimmery kind of particles in it, and also that is like really pigmented, which I really love. For the beginner, if you're like new to liquid eyeshadow, I definitely recommend this range because like अगर थोड़ा सा like sheer coverage होता है तो आप पे थोड़ा सा like control होता है. I have like layered it up 2 times, so yeah, and also I am really loving this. You can use this as it is. You can use this with your finger. You can use this with a brush too. So yeah, I am really loving this product, and I think it is a great product. So for mascara, I have a really affordable mascara, and I'm not believing it because like I am really picky about my mascaras because I have really long and short lashes. So yeah, I really love my Maybelline Lash Sensational. I really love my L'Oreal Paris one, everything, and I have tried some affordable mascaras. I don't like them at all, like at all, but I tried the Mars ka mascara, and oh my god, I have literally no idea how they produce this good mascara. I have seen some good reviews on this mascara, but I don't believe them actually. I don't know but I have tried this recently, and oh my god, it gives your lashes like a volume and also some length. So I really love this. But the thing is, I don't like about this mascara is this, the applicator is too big. I think it is good for your upper lashes, but if you're using this on your lower lashes, it can like ruin your base or something. And also it have like a really strong smell, like a pineapple kind of smell. I don't know, this is weird, but yeah, like normally mascara में ऐसा smell नहीं होता है, but this is have like a really fruity kind of smell, but वो उतना देर तक नहीं रहता. And also it is like it is not quickly drying, which I like. It is not quickly drying, so it takes time to set down. But yeah, the thing is, I really love it. Also, I highly suggest it if you're a beginner, you want a good mascara in a budget, then I highly recommend this one. Okay, for my lipstick, I have this Mars lip crayon in the shade Girl Power, and this is a beautiful brown shade, and I love this shade. Like, I don't usually wear brown shade because I don't know, it makes me old. Yeah, but this shade is so beautiful. I think this is a perfect nude shade for deeper skin tone, and also the formula is so good. Like, this is proper matte, but it is not at all uncomfortable. It is so comfortable. Like, anything, and also it is so long lasting. So yeah, I really love this product. Definitely I'm going to trying out some new shades in this range. So yeah, definitely a thumbs up, big thumbs up for me. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are going to trying out this product, then please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and be gorgeous. Bye bye.